So the first thing you need to do is you need to saturate your paper with your first alcohol pen. Now, what you do is you take your lightest color, in this case, the lightest color is tulip, and you work in small sections. Now, all you do is, as I'm doing here, as you can see, you just saturate that with your color. Okay. And that's what you get with that. You then take your next darkest color, which in this case is the hot pink, and you put it in the base because that is where you'll get some shadow or some shading. Then you take your next color, the next lightest color, which in this case is cerise, and doing a little round motion, just start from the bottom and then just slowly drag the color like so. As you're doing it, it won't look like the end product, but don't be scared of it. Then get your light color again, go a bit of the way in, and then just draw that color up like that. Okay, as you can see. Okay, so then go to the next petal, take your color, your lightest color that is, again saturate your paper with the light color like so, then repeat the same here, put your darkest color in here, but when you see the petals, you can see there's probably some shadow there, so put a line of shadow there. Okay, and then just put a very thin line around the edge there because that's the shadow beneath. Do not be afraid to do that because we'll be cutting this out anyway, so if you go over the line it doesn't matter. And again, we want to put a line there as well. So then you get your cerise again, start from the bottom in little round motions, just slowly go over and drag that color into the middle a little bit. Yeah, like so, and then get your light color again and starting a little way in little round motions, and then start dragging that color out to the edge like that. And we do the same on that edge to soften it. As you can see, it's beginning to you're beginning to see the lights and the shades. So do it again. There we go. So saturate with your light color. Now don't be afraid to use the alcohol marker, because if you make a mistake you can always go back and lighten it and darken it if you need to by using the pens again. So there's your darken again. Yep. And then your cerise color. So what I like to do, I like to go over the dark color that I've done, and then using the downward motion drag that color up, and then get your lightest one, and again just drag the color up. You won't really begin to appreciate the depth of color until it actually dries a bit. So that's why I say don't be afraid of it, because if you make a mistake you can always go back. So we then take the light color again and just slowly work it round. Do it in sections. There's no, you can take your time on it. I mean, I'm only rushing this one because I'm experienced at doing it, and two, so you don't get too bored watching me do it, because there's nothing worse than watching paint dry and watching somebody colour. So again, put the dark in where you can see there, and again just put a little piece of there, a little line there of the dark, And basically just look at the flower and think, where is the light? Where is the dark? So again, then take your cerise and slowly, if you can see what I'm doing, I'm just using little round motions, dragging that colour into the middle. Do that on the edge there. And then get the light colour again. And as I said, I like to put some more and saturate it in, and then just drag that light colour in. Just drag it in like that. And you can see you're getting the change of colour tones in that. I'm sure you can see that from there, sorry. So again, we'll just work our way around. So that's your flower coloured, and as you can see, as it's drying, it's changing the colour on it. So the next thing we'll do is we will do exactly the same technique, but we'll do it on the stem. And there's the stem there. So with this one, again, get your light colour first, which I'm using CG2, and just saturate. As I said, it doesn't matter if it goes over the edge, because you're going to be cutting it out, sorry, and you'll be putting some shade into that. Excuse the clock chiming in the background, which needs new batteries by the sounds of it. So you've saturated your light. Now look at your stem and decide where the light and the dark color is. So I'm going to use a DG3. I'm only going to use 2 on this. So if I'm looking down on this, I would say the back of that would probably be up there, and probably half the, and the same here. I would say that would be the most shaded part of the leaf, and again the back of it. So it doesn't look much like that, does it? So we get our base color again, and we do exactly the same. We just go into it and we just pull that color. We just pull it in, and we do the same there. Just pull that color in. And as we're cutting this, as I keep saying, it doesn't matter if you go over the edges. And just pull that colour. So there we go. That's what I've just freshly coloured. And this is an example of one which I did a couple of hours ago, and that's fully dry. And as you can see, the light and the shade in the flowers and in the stem. So that's how you colour and shade using alcohol markers. In my next video, what I will do is I will cut these out, and then we'll construct a card from scratch with them. Thanks very much, and if you like my video, please click on the like button, please share my videos, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Hopefully speak to you again soon. Bye bye.